Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 39th video per GoLang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the weight groups, right? Today also, I am going to discuss regarding the weight groups. I want to teach you regarding the how we can pass a weight group to a function and do the operations, right? If we want to pass a weight group to the function, we can use the pointer, right? How we can pass weight group to the function, right? In here we have created the weight group, and then we want to pass this weight group to the this worker function, right? Like in this. In here, ID as well as I want to pass the weight group. By using the pointer, we can do that, right? Star sync.WaitGroup, right? And then we want to pass the weight group, right? Weight group address, like in this, right? Then we do not want to say in here weight group is done, because inside the function we can say weight group is done, right? Like in this way, right? Now what is the output? This is the previous output, right? This is the previous output we got. Now I am running this one. Now we got the same output, right? Worker 1, 2, those things can be different, right? Because these are concurrent running now, right? But then after running all the workers, we can print the by statement, right? Simply we can call like in this way as well, right? Simply we can start like in this, right? We already have discussed those things, right? Today's videos I want to discuss regarding how we can pass a weight group to the function, right? Using the pointers we can pass that one, right? Hope you have got a clear understanding about the weight groups by referring this and the previous video, right? If you have any kind of question, please put those things to the comment section. With that video, I have finished the teaching about the weight groups, right? In the upcoming video, we will discuss new things related to the GoLang, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel. Please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.